So today I'm going to show you how to make the Omniverse Omnitrix, or at least what I think is the Omniverse Omnitrix. I've still actually never seen the cartoon, but there were a whole lot of you that really wanted to see this, so I googled it and this was what came up, so this is what the tutorial is for. I hope it's the right one. So I did make a template for this one, and the link to it should be popping up on your screen, and there's 3 pieces to it. The smallest one gets cut out of cardstock, and the other 2 get cut out of either craft foam or cardboard. So here's the big piece that I cut out of 3mm craft foam. You want to make sure that the strap is long enough to go around your wrist. And then the little square I cut out of 3mm craft foam, and the tiniest pieces I cut out of cardstock. And they're going to get glued on the long piece. So I'm using hot glue because I like it, but you can use pretty much any glue you want. And you just glue all those little pieces into the center of each of the straps. I think I did about 10 for each side. And so you'll just glue them all the way up until you hit that bigger part in the middle. So you do them in each side. Just kind of gives it a little bit of texture. And so then you want to take the 3mm square, put some glue on it, and stick that right in the center so that it just covers the edges of all those little cardstock pieces. So you want to take some black paint. I'm using some black metallic paint here, and you want to paint that top square solid black, just like that. Then you want to take some green paint, and you'll paint along the edges on each side. And then when you get up to the square, you'll paint the corner, each corner of the square green as well. And you'll do that on the other side as well. And then when you get finished with that, you'll do the other 2 sides, so you end up with this. And so then, using the same green paint, just paint on those 3 little squares that are in the white part on each side, just like that. And then you want to take some more of the green paint and paint the little almost X-like design in the center. One on each side. And then I just took some white paint and I painted the cardstock. And then you want to take some black puffy paint and just go down the edge of the cardstock, and that will cover up the rough edge, and it will give it a little bit of texture too because the puffy paint is raised. So you can see it raises it up a little bit. You can do that to the other side as well. And so then to finish it, you just take a piece of sticky back velcro, you stick one part on the front, and then over on the other side, you stick the matching piece on the back, so that way you can just wrap it right around your wrist and connect it. And then you've got your little Omnitrix. And so I think I saw a couple pictures where it also had a ring, so you can just cut that out of cardboard and glue it on if you want that on your Omnitrix.